You notice this isn't a cleaner. You'll notice this guy from last year cleaning at their place. There's the cleaner. But today we're having a holiday because the next person is we're cleaning for, which isn't them, because they're buying new seed this year and they're busy and whatever. So I get to truck like a cool farmer who wears John Deere jackets. We bought a sprayer from these guys. They never gave us a jacket.
That means you got a better deal.
He got the jacket for our sprayer.
Give you jacket, it just means you gain too much.
Words from the wise. So I'm trucking in Milford, hauling canola. It's gonna be a good time. He's gonna show me how to truck, because I haven't trucked in like a day. So Peterbilt's fancy stuff, like you got gauges that work, like everything works on this truck. There's another thing that I'm not used to. Melford farmers, not broke ass northeast Berta farmers. They got look at that, a tarp remote. Look at that. How many dollars an hour am I paying you to do this? We didn't agree on it yet. Donations. I just make donations to them to use this stuff. All right, we're in the middle. Let's load. Black Pete. Uh-huh. Hey, look, our Mac'd on. Someone's sleeping. We've been talking too much. Look at this. Nice canola. I want to walk back and forth 100 times. Run. I didn't feel that middle one.
I did. The drop is very full.
It's full, yeah. Oh yeah, hi. Not used to such big augers. Viterra, Melford. Look at that place. Holy moly. Way bigger than any Viterra we got. Now, let's power this thing up. Power. Alright, let's open the tarp. Now we want to look in this mirror, see when it gets all the way. Oh my. Oh, our turn. no big rush to get there since we got like 4 trucks in front of us. Yeah. Under the probe we go. Haven't driven a Peterbilt and tried grain trailer in probably 2 years. We'll see, that should be good there. And they're probing. See the shadow better actually. I don't think I quite went far enough ahead. My bad. See if the light tells me what to do. Go ahead. You retard. Don't know how to park right. Oh no, they're gonna get the other hopper. We got a tandem behind us. Got Doker and a Timpty in front of us. Yeah, they're picking up another probe. Now let's see if they tell us to move ahead. Oh yeah, move ahead. Whoop. Stop. Well, that guy's got a rock in his brakes. I'm guessing they're gonna tell us go into the left driveway, maybe. Unless those guys aren't hauling canola. Oh, right driveway. Hello. Wow. Let's go. Ooh, that's a little rough. A little rough on the clutch, sorry. Oh, 18 speed, so nice. Oh! Yeah, that's a right driveway. Oh, ho, ho. Sorry, everyone else. I guess we just get to go right to the front. Ooh, that guy had a crunch. Ooh, I feel special today. Go a little slower. Almost missed that shift. Those guys are doing wheat. Right there. All right, let's go in. We are good to go. See if I remember how to do this. Dump our air. Woo! this one. Don't need this one go too fast, or else we have to sweep everything up. Look at that black gold. Way more than that hopper than this hopper, and that one's cracked, and this one we're not quite full pin. There, we're running out. That one's runned out. They both kind of run out at the same time. Close that one. Back up. So we get this one. Something's going on in the elevator. We got buzzers going off. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Well, I guess we could have been back farther. Now I'll just take the broom. Oh, that's too much. Whoa, slow down. Yeah, I should have backed up farther to there. Oh yeah, oh what a mess. Ooh. Oh yeah. Pit's not taking it away fast enough. Almost made a mess there. Come on, faster. Yes. Well, that one, wait on that. Then go put our air back on this. We go. Weep. There we go. Oh, our front's empty. Perfect. Now, gotta sweep all this canola up. Could go to the other side, but what's the fun in that? Quicker to be lazy, do it this way. Now we got to pull our head back onto the scale. Oh, we're in a race with this wheat guy. Oh, right there. Cruise. Friggin' awesome. Got our paper? Let's go. Also, while we're going, we can power off tarps. Now we will close our tarps. Close. Done. Now power off. there we go. Back for load number 2.